How to DM on Instagram for shopping. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can DM or send a message on Instagram to shop for a specific product for the owner of the e-commerce store. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's say that you find a specific product on Instagram and then you want to actually go ahead and send them a DM, but the only option you have is to view on website, right? So how do you send a DMs to them? Well, it's very simple to do that. All you have to do is just go ahead and then open up Instagram, and you want to come to the shopping icon over here. You simply want to select the product that you would like to shop for. Basically, you have the option called view on website over here. When you click it, it's just going to take you to their website where you can simply order the product right away. But assuming that you want some further inquiries about this product for this specific owner, well, in that case, at the very top you can see their Instagram username, right? The name of the shop, which is actually a verified page. That's absolutely wonderful. So we're just going to tap on this little DMs icon here, and then here you will find the option called send to Eraser, right? So at the very top you'll find the name of the person of whose the shop belongs to. Just tap on it, and here you'll find the name. The rest are some of your on the following list. Now first of all, you can enter your message such as price or whatever else you want, and then just hit the send button over here. Now tap on done. Now once you've done that, you can just come back to your home page. You can go to your DMs page, and then here you can see our message has been sent with that specific product. Now you can even go ahead and send them further messages about this product over here. And this is simply how you can DM on Instagram for shopping. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.